those things in my ear. Tell me what I wanna hear. But then why is it true? All the things that you do leave me feeling so unclear. So tell me, what is it true? All the things that you do leave me feeling so unclear, feeling the fear. So then tell me, why are you so untrue in all the things that you do? I can feel it here, burning in my soul. I can see the truth, I can see it whole. I can see that you are deceiving me for everything, leaving me everything all alone. Why do you say one thing and do another, another? Why can't you just say how you truly feel? Put it there, make it real, lay your soul out. It's hard to get the words out. Try to let it flow, try to let the soul come out of my skin, out of this body this cage is trapped in. But I don't know how to make my voice shout it out to the top, to the full extent, to make you understand just how I feel. The love inside I try to let it spill. It seems to be contaminated, or I can't let it go. It seems to be faded in ways that you don't see, that you don't acknowledge to me in a way that I can be truly released and know why. I know why. So don't be scared, girl. Just take my hand, no, I care, girl. Open up the real you inside.